everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. Everybody's getting ready for the holidays. You got Christmas and Hanukkah, so Merry Christmas and Happy Hanukkah and Happy New Year, all the things. What I thought I would do today is sit down. I got a special delivery. Catherine Puller has a special box, and it's a limited edition box, and I wanted to show you exactly how something like that comes from Catherine Puller. I love how she sends her boxes. She does a limited box ever so often now. Back in the day, and actually how she got started was with her stamp of approval boxes. So what this is a cohesive box that comes with everything you need other than the ink colors to create projects. So I wanted to show you this and open it up with you and tell you that it is a limited edition. I will have the link below for it if you're interested. I don't have samples right now, but I will have samples, and I'll show you how this could be a Valentine's collection. This could be something you use in your vintage books, your vintage scrapbooks. I think that's another good idea for this box. And you can just take it into any kind of card season you want to take it in. So here we go. This is called Special Delivery. I think that's the name of the box. Like I said, once it's sold out, it's gone. I think she did, her last box was the Boo box. It was so cool. And there were dies in that box that I still use. But this one's jam-packed. And I love the tape on this. I just love the tape. So you open it up, and it's like a Christmas present. And I know it's Christmas, I know it's the season, but what a perfect to you Christmas gift, right? Special delivery from me to you. She always puts a postcard in here. I love that. And get ready for something special landing, and it's already landed. And what's so cool with this is there is a new ink color in this, and you get the ink color and the refill. So if you've never tried Catherine Puller inks, this is a good way to get. This is only available in the box. It will be released later on in 2025. So you get a postcard from her, and then you get this little ink, and this is all about the inks and the ink colors. This is such a handy dandy little thing to have. So much thought in this. Look at this. And there's the beautiful Catherine Puller we know and love. It tells you about the inks, the party collection, the spa collection, and all the things. All right, so let's put this down. Okay, so here we go. Special delivery, and this is how, even when you do an order with Catherine Puller, this is how it comes. If you order one stamp set, this is how it comes. They wrap it. It's very cutesy, very demure. Is that how you say it? And then you open this up and look at all this goodiness. So let me get this out, and we'll get this box out of the way. Okay. And don't throw your box away. I use these boxes. The Bacon Spirits Bright box is over here to my left. That's what I use for like a splatter box. So these are really good boxes. Okay, so what do we have here? Wow, this is jam-packed. This is jam-packed. So, here's a little thing, a little postcard again that tells you a little bit about it. You can scan the barcode and get some inspiration. This is called Air Mailbox. Special delivery, the Air Mailbox. Wow, look at all the stuff you get in here. Oh my goodness. All right, so first thing I'm going to show you is the paper. Let's look at this paper. You always get a paper collection. And again, with CP, what I love about CP papers is this very front sheet. It tells you what colors that go with this collection. All right. So you got cotton candy, party dress, rockin' red, Mardi Gras, minted, blue raspberry, and something borrowed. And I'll tell you, blue raspberry is the new color. I'm super excited. So this is kind of a Valentine's theme as far as the paper from what I'm seeing. Yeah, very Valentine's. Oh, look at that, how cute. You could use that anytime. Oh, her plaids. Look at the plaid. The plaid's stunning. Love the plaid. XOXO. Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh my goodness, I'm loving that. I love that. You get 3 sheets each. So you've got some Valentine's stuff in here, and then you don't. You have some stuff that you can use for other than Valentine's Day. So that's your paper. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, that goes there. This goes here. Okay. All right, you've got your first stamp set, and I'll bet there's a glare on this. Not too bad. This is called Airmail. Oh, this is so cute. This is, look at the little things here. This is to build a postcard. Then you have a little bird envelope, a mini postcard from me to you. And then you have your dies with this. So there's your first stamp. Your second stamp set is the Sent with Love. And so this is playing on making stamps. You have love, XO, sealed with kiss, sending my love, missing you from afar. Look at the little airplane. Oh, I love it. And you get dies with this that cuts out the stamps and the airplane and the heart. Oh, wow. This thing is full. You have clouds. Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. I love this. Guys, this is an airplane. This, oh, this is so cute. I love this. And guys, this is anytime. This is for birthdays, for all those men in your life. Can you imagine what you could do with this? Absolutely love this die. So that's a standalone die. The clouds are a standalone die. Sealed with a kiss. So what do you call it? Swank? Swake? Swack? So it's a sealed with a kiss. And it's another postage style stamp. And the sealed with the kiss is the shadow and the word. So you get the shadow die. So there's 3 dies in this. So this is a standalone. Okay. Then you have postcards from the heart. Look at this. And this is what I want to do some samples on. Okay. This right here is so beautiful. And I think it's so innovative. You stamp these, you got that first, and I do the with love, and then you do this one, and then you do this one. So these are all the different layers that you're using. And then this one goes in here for the plain. And I know it looks like pieces, but guys, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I'll link Catherine Puller's video below where she has samples of this, and also she does some creations. It's a great video. She's got several, but I think she's got one on YouTube. And look at this die set. There's your postcard. Look at that. And then you have your banner dies. Oh, look at the heart to make confetti and the sun. I love this. Oh, I can't wait to start getting. I wish Christmas was here. I know that's bad, but I'm ready for Christmas so I can get into this time, right? All right, so let's look at this new ink color. There's the refill. You get the side labels, and the side labels are for your regular inks you can put on and for your minis. So you get those, and here's the mini. Now, I use my mini. She has full size and minis, and I find myself using these minis a lot. I started not to get them. I'll be honest, I didn't have them for a long time, and then I went back and got them, and I'm so glad I did. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this color, and I'm going to pull out the color wheel. Now this color is not on here yet, but I'll tell you the color family it goes with is right here. Your Old Boy, your Something Borrowed, Suede Shoes, and Dress Blues. So this is going to go right in there. All right. So it's pretty much a true blue. All right, and I'm going to pull in some, here we go. So let's pull that out. Let's pull out Old Boy, Something Borrowed, Suede suede shoes, and dress blues. So this is the color family right here. All right. I think that's how it goes right there. Is that in screen? Yeah. All right, so let's just look at this. Let's look at all this. So I'm going to go with suede shoes or dress blues first. See that? Now, I haven't re-inked these, so there's your suede shoes. Now we're going to do our something borrowed. Oh, that's such a good color. That is such a good color. I love that color. Oh boy. All right. Now, when those dry down, they do dry back a little bit. Now, here we go. Blue raspberry. Let's just see what this is all about. Oh. Okay, on camera, this is probably going to look the same, but it is not. It is a lighter blue. Oh, I love it. To me, this is that baby blue. This is that baby blue that everybody needs. Look how pretty that is. Ooh, I like that. I like it. Look at that, how cute. Oh, these colors are good. These are good colors. Very good colors. And I love that she put the refill in this. Like that was really nice. That you know, with her inks, if you're an avid inker, stamper, you need the refills. I will tell you that, because it is a foam pad, so it's very cushiony. So it absorbs the ink, but oh, the stamping ability with these inks. Oh my goodness, look at this. Again, so you have 1, 2, so you have 3 full stamp sets and dies. 3 full ones. You have the paper pad. You have the standalone airplane, the sealed with the kiss, the clouds, the mini ink pad. What a collection. This is amazing. This is amazing. And it's $40 off. This retails for $190. It may be over $190. And I think the price on this is $150. It's $149.99, I believe. Like I said, this will be linked below. And I will come back with samples, I promise. The timing is a little off, so I just haven't been able to play, but I'm going to. I've got to finish a couple of projects, and then I'm going to dig in. Like I said, below, I will link Catherine Puller's video. I will link it below so you can see the samples. I know on my social media, on Instagram, on Facebook, I have linked a lot of the samples that some of the brand ambassadors have done. I am a brand ambassador for Catherine Puller, so if you so choose to get this collection and use my link below, I do get a small commission, and I really appreciate that. All right, guys, this is the video today. I know it's short, but I wanted to show you this. I will be back on with some samples. Now, this is dried back, and you can see the difference. You can really tell that that's a pretty blue collection. Look at that family of blues. Oh, that's so pretty. I love it. I am going to tell you, I will try very hard to have a video this weekend. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm going to try. If I don't, then I will be back next weekend. And what I am going to do is a best of 2024. And some of my favorites, and there are some standout favorites that I have that I use all the time. Yeah, there's definitely some standout favorites. And so I'm going to do my favorite stamp sets. What's my favorite tool this year? And I think that covers it. Maybe my favorite paper collection or company that put out the best paper that I feel like. Okay, and maybe some newbies in there. I did try some newbies this year. Some new companies I'd never tried, like Uniquely Creative. They're out of Australia. Oh my goodness, the products they put out. Okay, I'm rambling. Guys, you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. Good luck getting ready for Christmas. If I am not back this weekend, I want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I will see you later. Bye.